Seth.
My name is Russell.
My name is Todd.
And I'm Shin.
And we are Retrofit. We've been playing every weekend for the last 7 years. Our local gigs are a business card. It's where people come to see us. It's where people recommend us to their friends for weddings, big corporate events. At this point, I'd say we are nearing 500 songs. There is truly no song that we won't explore. If somebody wants to hear it, we will play it.
Hey Retrofit, this is Luke and Vanessa. We just wanted to thank you guys for the memorable experience you gave us at our wedding.
These guys are really legit. They play the greatest songs. Anything you want them to play, they will.
Retrofit went above and beyond all of our expectations.
2 little bit chicken fried, a cold beer on a Friday night. So crazy in love, got me looking so crazy in love.
It's true, every party we played, we've left that party with everybody on the dance floor.